Analysis of the economic potential through biochar use for soybean production in Poland.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Soybean is one of the most important crops grown globally. Biochar has been proposed as an alternative to sustainable soybean production.
However, comprehensive studies that include both the economic aspects of soybean productions and biochar are scarce.
Poland, with an economy largely based on agriculture, is an interesting case to investigate the cost-effectiveness of using biochar in soybean production. The researchers show that the use of biochar at rates of 40, 60, and 80 tons per hectare is unprofitable compared with a traditional soil amendment such as NPK fertilization.
The break-even price for biochar to be economically viable should be $39.22, $38.29, and $23.53 in US dollars for 40, 60, and 80 megagrams per hectare of biochar respectively, while the cost of biochar used for this experiment was $85.33 US dollars. Payback period for doses of 40 and 60 megagrams per hectare was estimated to be 3 years.
Thus, in summary, with a carbon sequestration subsidy of $30 US dollars per ton of CO2, the use of biochar may be profitable in the first year of soybean production. This is the first comprehensive economic analysis of the use of biochar in soybean production in Poland, and one of the few published worldwide.